Waking up by the beach in South Australia yesterday morning was beautiful. Howling onshore wind, but beautiful nonetheless. Stayed near the granites, just these couple of bits of granite rocks sticking out of the sand on a beach where you can't see end to end. It's so large and there's nothing else around except these rocks. It's pretty cool. I was really lucky I got to do that. The first attempt to get to the beach was not so successful. My little Subi wasn't gonna get through those ruts, and I'm glad I ran into a local who I asked his opinion and he shared his. Didn't think I was gonna make it. I'm glad I bumped into him because it would have sucked trying to get myself out of there at like 12 o'clock at night. Well, I would not, I would have stayed, but I wouldn't have been right by the beach, so.
Aren't they the hardest ones to climb? Darling, look how far we've come simply by taking it one step at a time.
Driving from the coast to the Grampians, the farmland is so healthy. The contrast from going from Mungo, where they still farm out there too, and then coming in here where it seems like it's marshland and they've got ample amounts of water. Everything's so green and healthy. It's like going to another country. If you're in Europe, it would be another country.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. 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 When it rains, it
So here we are in the Grampians National Park. I'm really glad I took the time to drive it and actually see more of the landscape. It's definitely a hard slog, but obviously look where I am. Beautiful lake right by the edge of the Grampians. I'm gonna start heading towards the Snowy Mountains now. It's like a 10-hour drive and I'm pretty tired, so we'll see how far I make it. Dunno. Gotta go for a little walk in the Grampians first this morning though, before I hit the road again and see what's on offer. I wish I could do a longer walk. There seems like there's some incredible walks to do. I reckon you could spend months in here just wandering around.
will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sunrise, when the sun.
Drove from the Grampians yesterday all the way, went through Yarrawonga, went for a swim, freshen up a bit. The plan was to go riding, got to Cancobin, decided I would turn around, come up Cabramurra way, come and see these guys. Did make it to the Brumbies, I can't argue that. Now I just got to get out of this rain with all this camera gear. Figure out what I could do next. I do have a flat tyre waiting for me, at least half flat. When I get back, it's punctured, has a nail in it. Fantastic. Raining. I just got to where all the Brumbies are. Had to turn around, but it's just the way it goes. Oh shit. Oh no. Not a good way to do this. Come on, there's only 2 left. Oh, I didn't think I'd get that done, honestly. Thanks. Car didn't either. Like nothing ever happened.